Welcome to another custom order episode. We are continuing where we left off last time. Down below so that I can upload another video where I show you the method. So here I've just pinned in the seams and I'm going to close that and close the bottom. Next up, I am sewing the bottom of the jacket. I've already lined my jacket and put in the collar. So right here I'm closing up the bottom of the jacket. Here I'm closing up the side seams. Then for the final touch, I'm pressing the pleat at the back. So this is the final product of the jacket, the front and the back. So thank you so much guys for tuning in until this far and watching and liking my videos and subscribing. So please don't forget to subscribe for those who hasn't subscribed, and please leave a like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and see you next time. Bye.